In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin on Robinhood. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you're here on Robinhood. And of course, you want to go to the crypto section, which should be towards the bottom. And then you'll see we'll get like a C icon. And then there you go. We now have crypto right here. Now, another thing that you will need to do is you will, of course, need to make sure that you actually do have some Bitcoin already in your Robinhood account so that you're able to go ahead and send it. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down, press over here where it says Bitcoin. And if you haven't already, you can go ahead and purchase it by pressing on this buy button right over here. Then you can go ahead and just buy some crypto and you should be good to go. But if you guys already have Bitcoin on your Robinhood account, then all you want to do is you want to scroll down just a little bit. And then you want to press over here where it says send. And then afterwards, you're able to go ahead and paste in the Bitcoin address of the wallet that you want to send it to. Then from there, you want to confirm the transaction and you should be good to go. So that is where you go ahead and do it. You guys could also scan a QR code as well. That is another option that you guys have. Both of those will get the job done and will allow you to send cryptocurrencies over to someone else. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.